Hey guys, it's Mian, and this is Beauty with Me. Today may be the last day that you see me with this hair. So obviously y'all know that I went from my black virgin hair to pink in January. Did that for about 5 months, really loved it. Got a little bored, moved on to a kind of lilac-y purple in June, and now here we are in fall. My fall color is going to be like a pretty blue. Before we get started though, please make sure you are subscribed down below, little red button, y'all know the drill. Beauty with Me comes out at 11 a.m. every single Monday. Okay, so without further ado, let's go over to Spoke Weal. You'll see the entire transformation, and then after the video, stay tuned because I'm gonna be giving you an update on my hair care routine as well. See you there, bye. So obviously I went back to Spoke Weal, got my roots touched up as per usual. Sat there for about an hour, was hanging there with my crew. The base that Madison used on my hair when I was purple was kind of this purpley lilac-y blue shade, and it's actually the same base that we used for my hair now, which is great because it meant that my hair went through a lot less stress, and it was also a lot less time in the salon day of. I didn't really have an idea of what kind of blue I wanted. I knew that at one point in my life, I wanted either darker, kind of more navy hair, or I wanted like a pastel blue hair. So I think I was giving Madison some pretty mixed signals there, but she ended up whipping up this color that I really loved. It's a good gray area between the navy that I was talking about and the lighter blue. And I think what's great about it is it's a little bit moodier, but it will also wash out slower than the pink had washed out and the purple did back when I was those colors. I'm back, and I'm here with my brand new blue hair. Had it for about a week, haven't washed it yet. It's a little dirty, but we're rolling with it. I was just telling my friend the other day that I feel like Nymphadora Tonks from Harry Potter with all these hair changes, but I think that this kind of smoky blue shade might be my favorite. Let me know in the comments down below which of my 3 hair colors, pink, lavender, and blue, you like the most. But do it in a nice way. Okay, so moving on, I thought that it would be a fun little opportunity here to give you a little update on my hair care routine. The last time I gave you an update on my hair care routine, I was still pink and I was using completely different products basically. I still love those products, but you know, my job is to test beauty products, so I have found a few things along the way that I really love and want to share with you guys. So let's start with shampoo conditioner combos. So I kind of alternate between 2 sets of shampoo and conditioners, the first of which is the Pureology Strength Cure shampoo and conditioner. This is a line of shampoo that Madison actually recommended to me. I was getting quite a bit of breakage on my hair back in May. You know, I was in the water a lot, it was summer, my hair was breaking a lot. It smells really good. It makes my hair feel super soft and smooth. It's sulfate-free, obviously, really good for color-treated hair. Olaplex launched a shampoo and conditioner. I've probably used it for 3 washes now, and I do really like the way it leaves my hair. It doesn't make my hair feel as soft immediately as the Pureology shampoo does, but it does make my hair feel like I'm losing less of it. I don't know if that makes sense to you guys. It makes my hair feel less dry, less straw-like, a little bit more tamed, less frizzy. And I also use it in combination with, ta-da! Olaplex number 3 treatment. Y'all knew it was coming. Everyone in the comments has been telling me to try it. I finally did. It's good stuff. I really like it. It comes in such a tiny little bottle though, and I go through hair masks so quickly, so I know I'm gonna go through this very fast. I use Olaplex every other wash, and then in between, I use this. So this is the Jisoo Honey Infused Hair Mask, and if y'all watched my Urban Outfitters routine, you probably already know that I love it. It is so good. I was so surprised at how soft my hair was after, like immediately softer, and how soft my hair continued to feel for the rest of the week. And that was something that was quite unique. I think like I'll use hair masks and then a few days later my hair still, again, feels like straw. This one, doesn't happen. So I use this as my moisture mask in between when I'm not using the Olaplex. I think it's a really good combination. This is the Ohai Magic Hair Wand. Oh man. This is the Ohai Magic Hair Wand, another find from the Urban Outfitters routine. That's really just for any hair. It could be your eyebrows, it could be like your actual hair. And I was like, I'll try it because it sounds interesting, but I don't think it's gonna work. It's gonna be like a brow gel, whatever. But then I tried it. So I get little like flyaways here, like areas where my hair is broken or just little frizzies around here. And this is the best thing for taming them. It looks like an eyebrow gel. Let me just get that real quick. It tames them instantly, brushes them instantly, and it doesn't feel crispy. It is so cool. It'll literally dry. I don't love to put a lot of like crispy gels or waxes or hairsprays in my hair because I hate feeling it in my hair, especially because I only wash it like once, maximum twice a week. But this is so lightweight and it has so much flexibility that I just don't even notice it's in my hair. So this is just like a very surprisingly good product for, you know, that's that. That's it. That is my entire hair care routine updated. Obviously a lot of new stuff here, constantly trying new stuff, but this is just what I've been liking over the past few weeks. Let me know in the comments below if there are any color treated hair products that you think I must try, and I will see you guys next week. Bye. Thank you guys so much for watching. Click here to subscribe to Refinery29. Click here to watch another video and follow me on Instagram at mian.chan so we can hang out there too. See you next time. Bye.